Hello there and welcome to this CSWatch video for OCR J276 where we are going to start looking at network topologies. This is a two-parter, so stay tuned for part 2 coming up shortly. But we're going to be looking at the star topology today and the advantages and disadvantages of using the star topology. So, everyone knows what a star looks like when you draw it, whether it's a star on top of the Christmas tree or a star in the sky. All devices on a star topology connect to a central switch or server. And what this means is every single device has its own connection going to the switch or server in the middle, and then that's how it gets its name, a star network, because it looks like the outside of a star. Each device has got its own connection to the central server or central switch, which means if something goes wrong, it's only going to be the one device which is going to be impacted. The server has got control over the network. The server and switch can see the network, they can see all the devices, and they can take care of people wanting to join the network and leave the network. We've got some advantages and disadvantages here. As I said previously, if a cable fails, only one of the devices is impacted. It's easy to add new devices. You just get a cable, plug it in and plug it in. Happy days. Because there's only one connection from the server to a device, there's very few data collisions. There's less chance for data to collide with each other, and data can go straight to the server. Very little chance of anything being intercepted. On the flip side, however, because each device has got its own connection, whether it's going to be a wired connection or a wireless connection, it's expensive. If you've got a star network with 60 devices, that's going to be 60 cables, 60 Wi-Fi, USB Wi-Fi sticks. It's going to get expensive. Similarly, if the centralized switch is damaged or the server goes down, the entire network is disrupted and no one has got any network connectivity. So you need to make sure that that centralized server or switch is kept up to date, kept secure 24/7, because if that goes down, your network's useless, no one can see each other, no file sharing, no resource sharing whatsoever. So to summarize, star topology has a centralized server or switch. That is the core of the star network. Everything connects to it. Each device has got its own connection going to that centralized server or switch. The connections themselves can be wired or wireless depending on how you want your network set up. But if anything happens to that server or switch, your network will go down. That's one of the major drawbacks of having a star network. I hope this video has been good for you. I hope you now understand a little bit more about star networks, and I shall see you soon on looking at topologies part 2. See you later.